Okay, this is the camera. It's called Apeman. 50 bucks on Amazon. It's a gazillion good reviews. I got 64 megabit micro SD card for it. It's got the display panel back here. What I did was I just got a little piece of this thin metal at hardware store. So I bent it up under here and this way so it stays still and up. That way it's further away from the windshield, so it's not as in your face and noticeable as it is if you have a suction cup on the windshield. And then I'm gonna start the car up. It starts. Let me see if there's a parking mode on this thing. Yeah, let's see if we can find one. Parking guard. There. Okay. Motion detection. Okay. Should be good. All right. And she's back in a record mode. Now, this sucker always records whenever you start the car. And what I did was, I did a layer of the super dark tint. I folded it 3-fold on this side, and then there's just one sheet of it on this side. And what I do is, I just slide it up and over the camera, like this. Second, tape's sticking to the cord. There we go. And so you can see it's up and over it like that. I still have access to the micro SD card. I'm also gonna put a little piece of tape over there. There we go. So you can't tell it's a camera from the outside. It doesn't appear to be a camera. It's very incognito. I also made one for the back. Same thing. Doesn't appear to be a camera. It's not obvious. It's not in your face. And so cars, when they're driving behind you or in front of you, and you gotta hide the cords, get them good and hidden, but you won't notice them. It's just gonna look like a piece of plastic. So there's two things. You won't piss off cars because they won't feel like they're being recorded. And also, thieves won't be able to see them. And it's always recording. And I just plugged them into these USBs, but you can hardwire it right behind the dash too. Then you just hide the cords so that they're not noticeable, and they'll show you a view from the outside. See that? You don't see a big lens to a camera or anything. You just see this little dark area up here. Same thing with the back. It's just a little... If you're looking from the back, if you're just walking by it, you're not noticing a lens or anything. There's just this like plastic piece here. It's very unassuming.